So I've just came out of View Cinemas and watched a fantastic film, Game Night. Rachel Mcadams from The Wedding Crashers, Jason Bateman, who's Identity Thief, and Kyle Chandler, Wolf of Wall Street. Fantastic film, really recommend it. Just at View Cinemas in Ocean Terminal. So the film starts with Max and Annie, who meet each other in a pub, both really competitive people, and they get together through their competitiveness. And so it starts with them answering the same question in the quiz, and then they get romantic involved, and then this is where their love blossoms. And then afterwards they then become a couple. And then that's their regular thing, is they do quiz nights and then game night every week with their friends. Until one night when the unexpected brother arrives, Brooks, who Max has always been really jealous of throughout his whole life. And so he's just telling girlfriend about this. And then when he arrives, he tells all the friends that, you know, that was good, the game night, but I could do a better game night. So he's thrown a few insults about his brother Max, and he's got all the friends laughing, and then in the end he's made Max feel really bad. And in the end he says, why don't you come to my house next week and we'll have game night in mine. So he's going to be bigger and better than his brother, as he's always been all his life. So they invites him along to his house, to the big house, the big car. He just wants to do everything so elaborate. And then he says, this will be a game night that you will never forget. And boy, you'll never forget the game night. So Brooks is explaining how the game will work. And so he's telling them all, someone's going to go missing tonight, and it's your job to find the missing person. And whatever couple finds a missing person will win Max's dream car. And then there's a knock at the door, and then the plot thickens. I thought the actors were absolutely brilliant. I thought Jason Bateman played a fantastic part as Max, Rachel McAdams equally as Annie, and Kyle Chandler. It's the first time I've actually seen that actor in a bigger role, and really liked him. Sex appeal was quite good. I was quite into him. Yeah, it was a really good film. I really enjoyed it, and a lot of good genres in there: mystery, action, comedy. The actors were really good together throughout. I loved the soundtrack as well, particularly the Queen, We Are the Champions. Really enjoyed that throughout, and it worked really well together. Nothing really bad about the film actually. The only thing I would say about it that was quite bad, but that was just somebody behind me was laughing at parts of the film that weren't really funny. She was laughing like a hyena, and I guess that was a bit that I would think that the only thing that was not that good experience right behind me. I would give it a 4.5. It's a really good movie. Not quite a 5, but 4.5. Always room for improvement.